Namaskar. Friends, we will continue our discussion on Parthasarthi and pandemic. Pandemic has come like a war. And let us understand also the role of Parthasarthi. Parthasarthi is Lord Krishna. Lord Krishna in Mahabharata war is the charioteer of Arjuna. Arjuna is a very skilled person, one of the best fighter, a warrior. And now in the place where every army is in place and war is about to begin, at that time Arjuna is having a withdrawal symptoms. This is to be understood. You see, and then he said, I don't want to fight. Vepatuscha sarire me roma harshashra jayate gandivam shamsate hastat tvakchaivam paridahiyate. Oh Lord Krishna, I am not able to fight. I don't want to fight because physically I am not fit. I have a vertigo. I don't see good results out of it. And I don't want to fight. He just sit down. This is a situation, typical situation. Let's take pandemic. Pandemic is different. You see, major contrast is that here Krishna tells Arjuna that you fight. You go out and have a war. In pandemic, we are told that you remain at home, go inside. So this is the dilemma, this is the paradox, and that's why it's very interesting. In second major difficulty is that in pandemic the enemy is even invisible, whereas here in Mahabharata war they know everybody. Everybody is known who is in the opposite side, and so that context is different. And that's why when we are discussing the relation between Parthasarthi and pandemic, we have to understand the context and the issues that has been raised. Now we are inside, we are locked down, we are at our home, we stay with our family, with our books, with our meditation, our prayers, our puja, our yajna, whatever we do. But the question now is how to handle situation where there is a withdrawal symptom. Let us understand Arjuna. Arjuna's arguments are in three parts. The first part is physical, where he says, I am not able to stand on my legs. I don't want to fight. The second thing is where he is arguing the reference and the context, that you see what will happen if my brothers are killed with whom I have been fighting all these years, and they have of course jealousy and all that, but I enjoy power with a reference. I have a reference. I suppose if I get a PhD or an award, what I will be enjoying? I will be enjoying that the people whom I refer in my life, they are available. Arjuna is telling that these people will be gone. So what is the meaning of fighting this war? And one important traditional issue he is raising is that what will happen to the Pindodak Kriya. Traditionally, when somebody is dead or somebody is defeated and died, then its rites after the death will not be performed if everybody is dead. So what will happen? Our traditions will be forgotten, our traditions will be erased from the sands of time. So hey Lord Krishna, this is a meaningless war. And finally he surrenders and he withdraws that I don't want to fight because let me go and without any weapons and let them kill me. See, this is a withdrawal symptoms. Now in pandemic, we are also afraid, and we are at home. We have a different kind of fear. There is a fear of failure, there is a fear of path, there is a fear of reference. Here, fear of pandemic. Am I getting infected? Am I vulnerable? These are the issues that pandemic has thrown to us. And whole humanity is fighting. So, friends, in this series, we will try to understand what Krishna has exactly told Arjuna and how we can find out a way, because lockdown is just a beginning of a very long fight with the enemy, with the invisible enemy, which is not even seen by the eyes. So it's a very complex, very exciting, and at the same time very challenging situation, very challenging time, where we have to reinterpret Bhagavad Gita and the message to Partha by Parthasarathi. And that's why Parthasarathis message will be how relevant in pandemic situation we will try to examine. I request you, because now the time is running out, I request you, please subscribe to my channel, because I have seen that 76% of the viewers are not even subscribers of the channel. So please subscribe my channel and let us enjoy. This is our inward journey, and please do give me your feedback, because lots of feedback has come day before yesterday, and we are trying to help you out. I am also helping myself understanding Bhagavad Gita in a different way and sharing it with you through this channel. So friends, once again, like, share and subscribe this channel, because we are going to understand, and it's a journey where we will be establishing a relation between Parthasarathi and pandemic. Thank you very much. Jai Shri Krishna.